Going over there now. Three X-ray.
Romeo 4, show me in pursuit of Black BF. Romeo 4, 10-6.
Dispatch, show me in a 1055 of a gargoyle. RO is a... Larry Ultra, code 4, code 6, Legion Square.
What am I being pulled over for?
Romeo 4, show me on 1055 of Black BF 400, RO is Frank Gallant. Strawberry Avenue, Legion Square, occupied ×1, I'm gonna be code 4, code 6.
Larry, what are you getting pulled over for, bro?
Romeo 4 to 3 X-ray 24, what's the reason you're gonna need to pull the guy over? Hello sir, can you take your mask off and show me your license?
Yeah, I have zero issue with doing that. Just wondering why I'm being pulled over.
Okay, just show me your license and take your mask off, and I'm gonna tell you.
There's a shootout, you might want to go deal with that.
Three.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Romeo 4, there are shots fired on Legion Square.
Charlie 6, let's go to JTAC 1.
Romeo 4, show me in pursuit of a sports car. JTAC 1.
On Charlie 6, have we verified everybody on scene has been taken care of?
User joined your channel.
Romeo
Give us call out.
Channel switched.
Radio check.
No radio check? 555.
Okay, remember the last time
User
you went to go
joined your
follow a
channel.
car, they ended up ramming you by yourself. I'm gonna go to Legion Square and make sure there's nobody dying and laying in a pile of blood.
I lost the visual of the vehicle. He went through the...
Hi. I'm at Legion Square, no shots, everything seems to be pretty quiet.
There's a dead body in there.
Normally
Gets
see
hurt.
people around, but they're not doing any shooting currently.
you see that underground garage, there's a drag body here.
Just hit my bike, bro.
User joined your channel. User joined your channel.
We were told shots fired at Legion Square. I'm here, no shots yet.
Trying to pull me over?
It's over.
Yes.
I see a dead body in here. So,
Okay, let's go.
I think we have a suspect right now. I don't know. Johnny's pulling them over.
He chased a car that was leaving, yeah.
Romeo 4, show me code 6 on my 1055. Oh shit, I didn't call it, I'm sorry. Let me do it again. Romeo 4, show me on 1055 of a Concat D5, RO is Link Lee on Legion Square, Strawberry Avenue southbound. Occupied ×1, I'm gonna be code 4, code 6.
Just a heads up, when I rode my bike up to those bikes up there, they were talking about who did or didn't shoot it, so... I don't know if we have the units to be able to take those other vehicles and detain those people too, and GSR, etc., but...
Hello,
So,
sir.
how can I help you?
Can you please show me your license?
Never mind, they're all taken off.
Thank you, Mr. Lee.
User left your channel.
How can I help you today, sir?
Okay, is there any reason why you were waiting for me?
I was waiting for you. No, I was not waiting for you. You pulled me over. I asked you trying to pull me over. You say yes. Pull over on the side of the road. So I did. Why would I wait for you?
Because I was trying to pull you over like 2 minutes ago.
Say again. Sorry.
Okay, just stay in your vehicle, please, for now.
Yeah.
Basically, he was pulled over and he didn't mean to, obviously.
Did you? What would you have done in that situation?
Probably would give him a warning.
Alright,
It depends.
what
like,
would a
eval,
Try 6 to Olsen. Can we clear JTAC when we're all on scene and
what for reckless?
there's no
Yeah, I
pursuit or
think-
anything going on?
if you want to like really go hard on him, even on the eval, you could let him go. I mean, he was not really driving on purpose. He just made that.
Yeah. I mean, if he was like,
There's not much happening in JTech, right? We can close this, right?
Yeah, I asked, but
User
Alexander
left your
Olsen
channel.
is muted, so I guess let's just close it.
Yeah.
User left your channel. User left your channel. User left your channel.
Romeo 4 to dispatch on my last 1055 1066. I will need additional units. Additional 1070s.
On Charlie 6, responding.
If you wanna further continue with it, can I get a supervisor? Like, I don't even know why I'm pulled over and something. Like, if you get a supervisor and a body cam and everything, I can relate everything. I don't know what I'm getting pulled over for. I never waited or anything.
Stop! I'm
I'm
moving
pulled
up.
over.
I'm moving for cups. Sir, now you're under arrest. You have right to
Under
remain silent.
arrest? For what?
Anything
Hold on,
you
hold on.
say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have right for government-appointed attorney present
Can I get a
during
supervisor?
legal questioning. Do you understand these rights?
Help me clear the vehicle.
Sure.
Here, mister, I'm being compliant with you.
Do you
I
understand?
have not done anything. I
Okay.
know. I understand. But the thing is, I want a supervisor. Why I'm getting arrested? I did not evade or do anything. Like, I just woke
Sir,
up, I was driving a car.
Do you understand these rights?
I pulled over when yeah, I
Do you
do.
understand? Okay, thank you.
Get me a supervisor now, please. Like,
Do you see that? Look at my
Yeah, you're gonna talk to him right
yeah, I'm gonna
after.
wait here because
No,
I comply with you
sir.
everything. I did not kill anyone or anything. What
Go
I'm being
towards that
charged with?
car and face the car.
What I'm being charged with?
You're gonna be charged with evading.
I never evaded you. I don't
Okay.
even know who you are.
Sir,
Sir,
can you
we're not here to debate charges or anything else like that. If you have any
Please,
issues with the
can-
charges, you can take it up at JB, okay? Let's move.
please
I need a
stand
supervisor right
against
now,
that
so-
car? Stand against that car.
Supervisor
I'm
on
gonna
the
pat
scene
you
has
down.
already agreed that you're being charged. Let's go. Appreciate your cooperation.
I need a supervisor. Can I get a supervisor, please?
Romeo 4 to call Lolas, can you please stay on the scene? We might need a crime scene technician. Romeo 4 to any available supervisor, can you please come by my last 1055? 1066, I mean.
From Charlie 6 to last, I spoke to Sheriff Black. He said we can handle it. There's no supervisor currently available for this scene.
Just ask the highest person on the scene. Pardon me.
Harder. What, over radio?
No. Just, I mean, Carter's standing right next to us. That's it.
Hey Carter, are we able to clear scene?
I think he wanted you somebody to wait.
Alrighty.
Do crime scene. We'll see. Check out.
I don't think I'm certified to do that, but yeah, I
What
can
about
set
Lawless?
scenes.
Are you on an eval? To answer something. Okay, so you're not supposed to be here. You're supposed to ignore it.
No, it's only DRR.
Hey,
DRR
check out my cool name badge. Sweet.
Wait, what?
Card.
It says Carter.
Yes, it does. Yeah. What do you think?
Get that one, bro.
I mean, I was Deputy of the Month my first month in the department, so.
Yeah,
I think it's just the default one that comes with it.
Okay, sir, can you please sit in my cruiser?
Okay. 1 Charlie 6, we got a code 0 on this team. Yeah, you're gonna have to do something, unfortunately, which sucks.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to basically just take. There's no way he's coming back.
Said, did he tell you that you can leave?
Said
All right, you're clear. Thank you. Bye.
Alright.
Yeah, you can leave. Yeah.
Your X-ray 24
You
shows
need-
10A.
Anything to help out with your
1055.
report?
I think it should be fine. Fuck, I got
Alright, well,
3
I've
hours.
got my
Yeah, I know.
I've got my body cam of him.
Yeah, I have
just
my body
falling
cam
asleep.
also. It's fine.
Alright, let me know if you need anything. Just call.